let's get it started.
Woo! So I picked up the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. First I had them in white. Carolina Blues was the ones I wanted, trust. Well, I picked them up too. I mean, what you want me to do? Here's a preview. Cases that came to the crew. I got them right here to show you. Videos overdue. These are some dope cases I found. Listen up, squad, please sit, gather round. About to show you which case is my favorite and which right here sits and holds crown. Woo! So let's get it poppin' right now on this video. Hit the subscribe button right now while I play loud, spit facts, do bars on your stereo. Squad.
What up, y'all? Welcome back. CK Tech here, man. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. This is a channel where I like to talk as well as rap about all things tech, baby, just like you heard in the intro of this video. So if that is something y'all are interested in, then definitely go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below, as well as click on that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on none of these dope videos your boy got coming y'all way. All right, so what are we talking about in today's video, man? Today's video is a follow-up video from my previous video where I showed you guys some of these Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus cases that you guys need. And so in this video, man, I'm showing you guys some more as a follow-up to that video because it seems like you guys like to see some of the cases that you guys can get for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus that you guys see right here. Now, as you guys see, I got two pair. I got the white edition and I also got the, I'm calling it the Carolina Blue. Got the Carolina Blue edition right here, man. Now, there's a reason why I actually have both of these right now in this video because typically I'll just have one just for demonstration purposes, but there are some cases that I prefer to have on the blue one versus having on the white one, which we're gonna go ahead and get into right now. Now, right out of the gate, man, first case I want to show y'all up is a clear case. Now, I've actually never had a clear case either when I do my Apple AirPods Pro cases video or even the Samsung Galaxy Buds videos that I used to do in regards to the cases for those. Now, this one here, man, I would primarily use with my blue case because typically I like showing off the blue case because it just looks super dope. And so with this one, I'll just go ahead and plop this bad boy in. And again, all of these cases that you guys see right here will work with a Qi wireless charger. So definitely keep that in mind when you guys are purchasing, and I will have links for all of these cases down in the description below for y'all to check out. Now, this case here is a bit on the different side, and the reason why I say that is because it has these hinges that you gotta kind of put in here, and there we go. Now I got them in there. And it basically allows the top and bottom to be connected, but not connected at the same time, if that makes sense. Now, one of the things, if you guys are new here on the channel, and I know there's a lot of newcomers on the channel, and I appreciate you guys. So one thing that I don't like about my cases, I don't like for my top and bottom to be separate. A lot of these cases have a self-adhesive that's on the top that sticks to the top of these cases, and then the bottom just kind of clamps into place. Now, I will be honest with you guys, this case right here fits perfectly like a glove, man. And I'm telling y'all right now, this bad boy looks really good on here, and it allows the blue to kind of stick out a little more and just still have that protected style with your case, so that way you don't have to worry about scratching up your cases. Because one of the things that I noticed about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is that this acrylic top or this glossy top finish will get more scratches on them than something like the matte finish that was in the original Galaxy Buds. So definitely keep that in mind. So if you're looking for a protective one but still want to show off either that blue, black, or even the white color, that's something you guys want to rock, then in that case, I highly recommend you guys check out this clear case, and I will have a link for this one down in the description below. All right, y'all, so the next case that I got right here, I had to switch to the white because again, the blue is also saved for another one of these cases here, and I'm gonna show y'all that why in a second. But this one here, man, I had this same style of case on here, and you guys really like this one. I had this case, but I had it in the Black Panther edition. This one here is the Spider-Man edition here that you guys are seeing. I really liked like this wood grain look on this case, man. I think it makes it look way more sleeker, a little bit more professional at the same time, while also, you know, rocking and sporting your favorite Marvel character at the same time. So this one here again is the Spider-Man edition. You get the cutout here in the back, still be able to plug in that Type-C cable. Again, supports wireless Qi charging, so you guys have that. Then you also get a light indicator in the front, got a nice little cutout so you can still be able to see exactly how much juice you got on your Galaxy Buds Plus. Got a clip here at the top, clip it on your belt loop, clip it on a backpack, man, still looks dope. So all in all, this is the Spider-Man case. I really think it looks dope. Definitely make sure y'all go check this one out down in the description below. Now, the next three that I gotta show y'all are sticking to that Spider-Man theme that I just showed you, but these here, man, look super dope, and no doubt one of my favorites that I have here on the table, and that is this dark themed Spider-Man right here that you see. It looks super sleek. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this one here does look dope with the white pair that I got right here, but I think it would look best if I had the black pair of the Galaxy Buds Plus that you guys are seeing right here on the screen. And so all in all, man, I think these bad boys look dope. Pretty much got the same aesthetics as the other one. You got the cutout here on the back. You got a clip here on the top for you guys to be able to clip it on a belt loop or clip it onto a backpack. You also have a cut out here for the charger indicated status that you guys are seeing right here. But yeah, man, nice and protected case, hardcover, works with a Qi wireless charger, so you don't have to worry about that. But all in all, man, this one here looks super dope. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flash up the other two here on the screen just so you guys can see it, and plus so we can move along in this video. All right, so the next one I want to show y'all, man, I had to switch on back to my Carolina Blues one that y'all already know that I like, but I got the Thor Edition one right here, man. I think looks super dope, and you definitely got to get this one into your arsenal, man. This one just looks dope, man. Again, you got the cutout here on the back for you guys to still be able to charge up the conventional way using that Type-C cable. Again, wireless charging still works with this bad boy right here. Got a nice little cutout here on the front so you still can see that charger indicator light that you see right there. But yeah, all in all, man, I think this one looks super dope. Definitely make sure I go check this one out. It's down in the description below. So with this one here, man, there's actually a story to this case that I gotta tell y'all about. So with this case right here, I didn't know exactly what this case was right here. I actually had a B21 case in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, link for that will be right up here for you guys to check out. But I didn't know what that case was, and a lot of you guys told me exactly what it was, and it was K-pop related. And so I had no idea. But shout out to you guys for actually knowing that, man, and keeping me up on my toes. But anyway, man, this is a B21 K-pop character that you guys are seeing right here. Got again the cutout here in the back, and the reason why I like this one is simply because one of the feel has a nice little matte finish feel. Also, I like the fact that with this blue on blue, the light blue really matches up well together, and so that is something that I like. Also, you also have the cutout here on the front for you guys to still be able to see that charger indicator light that you see right there. Got a clip here up top if you want to clip it onto a belt loop or a backpack. You guys can still do that as well. But all in all, man, this one here is dope. If you guys want to check it out, definitely link for it is down in the description below. All right, so the next one that I got right here is definitely one of my favorite Disney characters of all time, if not my favorite Disney character of all time, and that is my guy Goofy, man. Basically because I'm a goofy type of person myself, so it just falls in line that I like Goofy as far as a character, man. But this one here I think looks really dope in the hands. Now I did switch back over to the white edition just because with the white eyes and with everything, I just feel like this one here looks the best with that gray. Just kind of meshes well together with that one, and so that is why I switched over to that one. But again, you got the cutout here on the back for you guys to still be able to plug in the Type-C cable. Got a loop here for you guys to still be able to clip it onto a belt loop, backpack. Y'all already know the drill by now. Top and bottom are separate, so y'all already know I like that. And then of course in the front we got our charger indicator status light right here, man, for y'all to be able to check out how much juice you got on your Galaxy Buds Plus. Y'all already know the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus lasts literally all freaking day. So, but anyway, you still got your charger indicator status light right here on the case. So this is the Goofy case. So if that is something you guys want to check out, link for it is down in the description below. All right, y'all, so for this one right here, had to switch back on over to the Carolina Blues. So I know what y'all probably saying. You probably saying to yourself, man, he keeps switching back and forth between the white ones and the blue ones. Well, I told y'all in the beginning, there's some cases that I feel like works best with the white pair, and then there's some that I feel works best with these Carolina Blues. And so this one right here is the Lilo Stitch version right here that you guys see right here. It looks super dope. Got nice little detail here on the front. Again, another Disney one. We're gonna stick with this Disney thing for these two cases right here. Got a cutout here on the back here that you guys can see. Got a nice little cutout in the front for the charger indicator status. You also get the clip here on the top to clip onto a belt loop or a backpack, so you don't lose that here. Pretty much all of these cases as far as how they are set up and designed are pretty much the same. But this one here is the Lilo and Stitch edition here. Again, another Disney one. Again, another Disney favorite of mine. So definitely make sure y'all go check this one out. Link for it is down in the description below. This one here is Snoopy, man. Definitely a legend, definitely a classic that I had to show y'all right here. I think this this one looks dope again. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one here will probably look the best on the black case. Now, if you guys can pick up a pair of the Galaxy Buds Plus in the black edition, I think this one would look the best. And there's also a red edition now that's out that can also be pre-ordered. I will link the red one down in the description below if you guys want to check out or pick up the red edition of the Galaxy Buds Plus. And I ain't gonna lie, them bad boys look sick. But anyway, this one here is the red and black Snoopy edition. You can see kind of the two-tone black and red right here. Also have nice little detail on the front. Again, you get the cutout here on the front for you guys to still be able to see that charger indicator status. You got the Type-C port here on the back, so you still be able to charge that up. You also get the belt loop here at the top, backpack, belt loop. Y'all know the drill by now. But yeah, this one here looks super dope. Make sure you guys go check this one out if that is something you guys are interested in. Link for it is down in the description below. All right, y'all, last but not least, and this one wouldn't be the last one if I didn't switch back to them Carolina Blues. But this one here, man, looks super dope on here. This is Charlie Brown, kind of sticking with that same Snoopy vibe that you guys see right here. Pretty much the same show. So this one here is the Charlie Brown edition. I think this one looks super dope. I actually think they had one where he was sitting, where Snoopy was actually sitting on top of the house. If I do find that one, I will link that one down below as well. But this one here, again, looks super dope on the blues that you guys see right here. I just think it matches very well with this one. Also, cut out here on the back, top and bottom are separate. You also get the charger indicator light in the front, so you can still be able to see that. You also get the clip up here up top. Backpack, belt loop, all the same details there. You don't lose out, and you can still use a Qi wireless charger to still be able to charge these bad boys up through the case. So yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys have any questions about any of the cases that I showed you guys in this video, definitely make sure you guys let me know that down in the comment section below. Y'all already know I like hanging with y'all down there, so let's go ahead and get that comment section popping. Thanks again for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.